although again tahimik si Charlie, hindi siya mahilig mag trash talk, but he's a good guy. He can also promote the fight. So, sa mga nanonood, nakikinig ang sinabi ko kanina. Ay, salamat, uy! Ray Martinez at saka MJ Cosme. Let's stick to the topic, guys, para dire-diretso kasi marami po akong i-ano sa inyo din mamaya-maya. Sasagutin ko po yung mga comment ninyo. But please do let me know what you think about Charlie Suarez kasi yun ang mga babasahin ko. Okay? Yan ang mga babasahin ko. And if you are a big supporter of Charlie Suarez, I urge you, share, like, comment, and let Top Rank know that we have a Filipino boxer that deserved this fight. Okay. Lastly, in Tagalog, si Charlie Suarez ay underdog. Ibig sabihin, kahit gano'n siya kagaling, kahit siya pa ang undefeated dito, he is the dihado. Siya po ang dihado. Siyempre, bata ni Arom yan si Navarrete. Di ba? Bata ni Arom yan. So, kalaban po tayo dito. Okay? So, lamang si Navarrete kasi overwhelming talaga si Navarrete. Mas malaki si Navarrete and he probably is looking for a knockout. But ang sabi ko, stay disciplined, counter-punching, footwork. Wag lang makipagsabayan ng matagal. At counter-punching will be a key here because Navarrete, masyadong maangas ang kanyang mga suntok. Wild na wild, open yung suntok niya. Pag na-counter yan, may lakas din si Charlie. Okay, let me see your prediction. The next thing that I want to talk about, since we talk about prediction, let's talk about the fight this weekend. Okay, so but let me read all Charlie Suarez related comment. Okay, and by the way, pag wala akong lakad, I'll try to do live every morning and talk to you about sports. Sometimes boxing, sometimes basketball, but today boxing tayo. Okay. All right, let me read some comments first about Suarez. Sabi ni Raymark Martinez, Suarez by decision ako pa. Yan. Teka, maliwanag ba yung ano ko? Yung aking audio kasi bang may nagrereklamo na. Lagi na lang may nagrereklamo sa audio ko. Pa-press 1 nga po. If clear and maliwanag po ang aking pong boses ngayon at parang nagiging kaboses ko na si Ray Langit. Hindi naman. Ang ganda ng boses na. Can I get a press 1 before I continue? Okay, okay naman. Can I get a press 1 though from each and every one of you guys? Pa-press 1 naman po sa mga nanonood po ngayon. Just to make sure that my audio is okay. This channel po, we focus on the legitimate news about boxing. About the sport, especially boxing because maraming nagbabalita kasi ng basketball. So, sabi ni MJ Cosme, it's about time. Amen ako dyan. Sabi ni Popoy Jeps, amateur days pa namin noon sa Panabo City, Davao del Norte. Napaka-dedicated sa boxing yan. Yan. And that is true, brother. You know, as an amateur, hindi ko siya masyado nalalapitan because I was focused on pro. Pero nung first amateur fight, first professional fight niya, nandoon ako eh. In his early days, nandoon ako. I was supporting him kasi nakita ko talaga ibang klaseng boksingero talaga si Charlie Suarez. So, ako, as you know, may mga nagsasabi, hype man. Hype man talaga ako, lalo na kung deserving. And Charlie Suarez deserves this fight. He deserves the fight. I'm not saying he's gonna win. He most probably will have a hard time. Mahihirapan siya dito, brother. Pero lalaban tayo. Okay? Nel, good morning. Good morning. Charlie Suarez deserved for fight championship.